Alright, so you're heading to Lisbon, Portugal. Awesome choice. This city is all about those pastel-coloured streets, hilltop views, and food that'll have you questioning your life choices, in a good way. Let's jump right into my top 10 things you absolutely can't miss in Lisbon. Number 1, Tram 28. Yeah, it's touristy, but trust me, hopping onto this rickety yellow tram is basically a rite of passage. It snakes through the city's most iconic neighbourhoods, and you'll get a crash course in Lisbon's hills, without breaking a sweat. Number 2, Alfama district. Get lost in its winding alleys, listen for the distant sound of fado music, and snap 1,000 photos of those classic tiled buildings. Every corner here feels like a postcard. 3, Belém Tower. This fortress looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale, perched right on the river. Climb up for sweeping views, and imagine old explorers setting sail for the unknown. Number 4, Pastéis de Belém. If you eat one thing in Lisbon, make it this. The original custard tart, warm, flaky, and dusted with cinnamon. There's always a line, but it's so worth it. 5, LX Factory, hipster alert. This old factory complex is now packed with street art, quirky shops, and rooftop bars. It's the perfect place to chill, grab a coffee, or hunt for unique souvenirs. 6, Miradouros. That's just a fancy word for viewpoints. My favourite? Miradouro da Senhora do Monte. Go for sunset, and you'll see the city glow in gold. Number 7, Time Out Market. Foodies, this is your paradise. Dozens of stalls, all the best chefs, and every Portuguese dish you can imagine, under one roof. Come hungry. 8, Jerónimos Monastery. This place is jaw-dropping. The architecture is intricate, the history is deep, and it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site for a reason. 9, Ride the Santa Justa Lift. It's a vintage elevator that whisks you up to another epic viewpoint. Plus, it looks like something out of a steampunk movie. And finally, number 10, take a day trip to Sintra. Palaces, forests, and misty mountain air. This town is pure magic, just a short train ride from Lisbon. So there you have it, my quick-fire top 10 things to do in Lisbon. Whether you're into food, history, or just soaking up the vibe, this city's got you covered. Pack your walking shoes, bring your appetite, and get ready for some serious adventure. See you in Lisbon.